Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I want to introduce you to assembly language, what it is, why it matters, and what you'll gain by learning it. Assembly is a low-level programming language that sits just above machine code. While high-level languages like Python, Java, or C hide most of the hardware details, assembly lets you work very close to the CPU itself. You interact directly with registers, memory, and processor instructions. Because of that, assembly gives you a unique view of how programs actually run. You can see how data moves in memory, how functions are called, how the stack works, and how the processor executes each instruction step by step. It's important to know that assembly is architecture specific. That means x86, x64, ARM, and other processors each have their own assembly language. The core ideas are the same, but the instructions and registers can differ. Now, why should you learn assembly? Learning assembly isn't about writing everyday applications. It's about understanding what's happening underneath higher-level code. This knowledge is extremely valuable in areas like cybersecurity, reverse engineering, exploit development, operating systems, embedded systems, and performance-critical software. In this course, we'll start from the basics. I'll explain how the CPU works, what registers are, how memory is organized, and how instructions are executed. Then we'll write small programs to apply each concept and build confidence step by step. By the end, assembly won't feel cryptic or intimidating. It'll feel logical, and you'll have a much deeper understanding of how computers really work. If you're ready to go beyond high-level code and learn what's happening under the hood, let's get started.